So, this is how you can delete your Roblox account permanently. Let's open up Roblox, and here we are. Tap on More at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you're going to want to scroll down until you find Settings. Once you tap on that, you will see a bunch more settings or other icons. But you're going to want to tap on Account Info at the very top and just wait for it to load. It may take a while because it takes a while to load all of your info. Now, what you're going to want to do is tap on this account info under settings, and you're going to want to choose privacy and content maturity. So, you have content maturity, communication, visibility, trading, ads preference, blocked users, and account deactivation and deletion. It's at the very bottom, so you're going to want to tap on that. And here we are. So, let's say you just want to take a break. If that's what you want and you want to have your account back at the end of your break, you're going to want to tap on deactivate because deactivating your account is reversible. While deactivated, your profile will be hidden and you will not be able to use Roblox, but at least you will be able to get it back after you're done with your break or whatever kind of pause you're going into. But if you truly want to delete your account permanently, you're gonna have to initiate account deletion at the bottom of deactivate. Deleting your account is permanent and cannot be reversed. After deleting your account, you will not be able to access any items from your Roblox account. If you're not sure if you want to delete your account, you can deactivate it above instead. So they're saying it themselves. If you just want to take a break, you can tap on deactivate. But if you want to delete, tap on initiate, and it's going to ask for your password and it's going to start deleting. I think you can come back to it after within 30 days, but after 30 days, it's going to be permanently deleted. But I'm not sure. That's just how it goes for most account deletions. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.